A wolf, or a gray wolf, or an ordinary wolf, is a species of predatory mammals from the canine family. The leader of the wolf pack always goes first, tail held high. The disease is there by its position. In a wolf pack there is not only the main wolf, the leader, but also the main female wolf. The weight of the largest wolf ever caught was 86 kilograms. A cat is a pet, one of the most popular companion animals. From the point of view of scientific taxonomy, the domestic cat is a mammal of the cat family of the carnivore order. When a cat wipes itself, it marks its people. In the same way, they mark the territory with the smell of glands around the muzzle. Cats sleep about 18 hours a day. In some countries, cats are eligible for a pension. In Austria, a cat is entitled to such an allowance for guarding a warehouse with grain. The animal is rewarded not with money, but with food, meat, milk and broth.